really pleased to be invited to the Taste for Local event. It's great that places like Denbighshire put on events because there's a real wealth of food producers in Denbighshire and what we've got to offer as a county.
Well, I was invited to this event to talk about my beliefs in local produce, and I'm a big believer in education and networking, and by coming to places like this we get the opportunity to talk to people.
We've got a stand here, so we've been talking to local businesses and a few local pubs as well, so we're gaining more knowledge and interest in the local branding and local beers.
And one of the key points that we're trying to get across with all the catering services is that we work with other local suppliers and providers. It's important to Llangollen, it's important to our business. We think it provides credibility that we work with other local suppliers.
For people to find out that there's a range of suppliers is, I think, very, very helpful for everybody. And the event's been really, really useful for us. We've made several good contacts.
From the Taste for Local event, we met with lots of different businesses from the local area, including a new business that's just starting up, who have already ordered and look to have orders long-term from us.
Supporting local is important because everything goes back into the local community. As a local business, I want to see more events like this.
I'm hoping that by talking to people today we'll create a network that will bring businesses together so we can trade with each other and share the passion we have for local food.
It was great for meeting new people and networking. From that event we've had new customers.
Talked about local produce, we've tasted local produce, and we've met the local producers, and that is 3 big ticks in my box.